How to install a permanent waterproof roof over mobile home roofs. The basic tools required are a push broom, a heavy-duty 9-inch paint roller frame, and several medium or rough surface roller covers, a sharp pair of scissors, a pair of rubber gloves, a paintbrush, a drop cloth, and some masking tape. To find out what we need to buy, we first need to measure the roof to determine the number of square feet. Convert square feet into roofing squares by dividing the square feet by 100. If your job is 175 square feet, that would be 1.7 squares. Multiply 1.7 times 5, that equals 0.85 gallons of primer, a little less than 1 gallon. Now multiply 1.7 times 4, that equals 6.8 gallons of acrylic white top coat. Sweep off all the loose dirt and debris. If the roof has had a coating applied, then you may have to power wash the roof to remove oxidized paint. The roof should be as clean as possible for the primer to be most effective. Open a pail of acrylic primer with the scissors or a screwdriver in the lid slots. Apply primer at the rate of 1/2 gallon per 100 square feet. Apply it as thinly as possible. More only slows down the drying time. Allow 1 to 24 hours drying time. Measure the lineal footage to be 3/4. If we're using 4-inch wide polyester, we would divide the lineal footage by 33 to determine the gallons needed. Or if we're using 6-inch wide polyester, we would divide lineal footage by 22 to determine the gallons of gel needed. If we divide the lineal footage by 160, we now know how many rolls of polyester we'll need. Now we're ready to 3/4 seams, the swamp cooler, and the perimeter of the mobile home. Using a rubber glove, apply a smooth 1/4 inch layer of acrylic gel on the seam. Normally, 4-inch polyester is used on the seams. Immediately embed the polyester fabric into the gel. Press firmly on the polyester fabric. Now, apply another smooth 1/4 inch layer of gel over the polyester fabric. If desired, smooth and feather the gel with a paintbrush. Repeat this 3-course process around the swamp coolers, the pipes, and other penetrations on the roof. Allow 24 hours drying time. If necessary, the acrylic white top coat can be applied at the same time since they are compatible. The first application of acrylic white top coat is applied at the rate of 1 1/3 gallons per 100 square feet. Allow 24 hours drying time. The second application of acrylic white top coat is also applied at the rate of 1 1/3 gallons per 100 square feet. Allow 24 hours drying time. The third and final application of acrylic white top coat is also applied at the rate of 1 1/3 gallons per 100 square feet. If you should have any material left over after this application, apply additional coats of white until all of it is used. You'll need the correct amount on to receive your warranty. Allow 24 hours drying time.